Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Dodge Journey, and on this Dodge Journey we're going to go over where you would check your engine oil and add oil if you need to on this vehicle. So this is the V6 motor, and we have our oil dipstick or oil checker right here, and then we'll just pull this out and you would clean it off. We're going to do this with the engine not running on as level surface as we can to get the most accurate reading. And then we have little hash marks here and saying in the safe operating range. So we want to have it between that for our best operating performance. So we've cleaned off our measure, and now we insert and then we pull it back out and check, and our oil is in the safe range, so no oil to be added on this one. But if you need to add oil, this is where you would add the oil. So you would just remove this cap, twist it a quarter turn counterclockwise, add your engine oil. You may want to use the funnel so we don't spill it all over. Add your oil and make sure that you're checking in between and that you don't fill it too much, because if you fill it too full you can cause problems with your catalytic converter. And once you're done adding the oil, just take your cap, put it back on, and turn that a quarter turn to the right to lock it in place. And so that's how you would add your engine oil on your 2016 Dodge Journey. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.